Hey everyone, it's Michael here at GoodEreader.com, and today we're proud to unveil the Wacom One creative display. So not only can you draw on this, but you can also hook it up to your Mac, PC, and even your smartphone or tablet, as long as the smartphone or tablet has Wacom Digitizer. I've even seen at e-ink booths that they hook this up to e-ink devices. Like, there we go. So I always like, devices that basically, look how nicely this is packed. This isn't moving around. Okay, so we've taken this out, and it looks like it is in a nice little sleeve. We'll save this for last. But we'll look at what type of stuff that comes with it. Well, got a wall charger. There's some documentation. So, you can just slide this in here. There you go. Here is the pen. So you can kind of take a look at this. Has a nice little sleeve. So it says Wacom, as you can see here. And it has two different buttons, an up and down. Has like a plastic nib. As you press it, there's indentations, so it has pressure sensitivity. And it has a bunch of different ports here. So you have your USB port, HDMI, it looks like USB-C. So one can be plugged into the wall charger. This can be plugged into your PC. This can be plugged into various devices. So we have that, and it looks like that's all that's left in the box. Other than, we have some regulatory information here, nothing too exciting. And then we have sort of a quick start guide here, just telling you what's in the box. USB into your PC, wall charger to charge, and let's take a look at the device itself. So this is the front screen, completely flush with the bezel. The actual bezels here are quite large. There's the USB port, power. On the back, you actually have these little legs, so you could have it lying down like so, and then draw on it if you want. So we'll just put these down there. You also have little rubber protective layers here, just so if it's on a glass table or something, it won't get wrecked. Status indicator light right here. And there's not too much really happening on the sides, just everything's sort of at top here. So yeah, we're gonna do a comprehensive hands-on review of this, where we're going to power it on, look at the drawing experience, how it compares against an eNote such as an Onyx Book Max 3 or a Remarkable, and put them head to head for drawing. This is full color, so you will get a better drawing experience out of here. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/GoodEreader. And for Good Reader, my name is Michael, and everybody take care.